Okay, so what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to clean this fan right here. It's very dirty. As you can see, the blade is very, very dirty because I've been using it a lot. I've been using it over there by the bed. However, early in the morning, for whatever crazy reason, it is running on USB power, not actually the battery. I don't know if it's a defect or something within the timer, but it ends up cutting off. So, and then I have to pull the plug out the back of it, plug it back in, and then it kind of restarts things all over again. Other than that, it's a really good fan. So we're going to go ahead and clean it. So the way you clean it is you just turn this, take off the guard, and there you go. As you can see, it's dirty. Hold it back a little bit. Let's see. Make sure y'all can see it in the camera. Hold it back a little bit more. Hold it back a little bit. Yep, it's dirty. You can see it's filthy. As you can see inside, it's filthy. Yes. I'm going to take this outside and wash it. You can see the fan, once again, is filthy. Y'all have seen this before. I use it so much. It's very dirty. All right, so what we're getting ready to do is I'm going to wipe down the blades and clean them. So I'm going to wipe down the blades and clean them. Let's see how we're going to do this because it's very filthy. Just kindly wipe the blades. I'm not going to put no liquid or water or anything on that. These don't get that bad. They get bad, but not that bad. So just kind of wipe them off. If you can, that'll be great. Not too hard. Don't want to break the blades. Get all that dirt off of it. Because this fan gets used a lot. It gets used a whole lot. I hope y'all can hear me okay. I do apologize for the audio if you can't hear me, but this camera I'm using picks up the audio very well. So there you go. Again, I'm still cleaning the fan blade, as you can see on camera. So I'm cleaning the fan blades. Looking somewhat deep. Looking somewhat good. That's what I wanted to say. That's what I wanted to say. Alright. So let's see what we got here. Pretty decent. There's still some light dust on the blades. Wow. One of the main things I like about this fan is that the back part of it right here, the back guard doesn't get dirty at all. It's the same with the bigger one I got. I like how they did that, where just the front guard and the blade only gets dirty for cleaning. So that's good because you can't pull this blade off. The motor's inside the actual blade hub, which is really weird on a DC fan. You should be able to do that, but apparently not. So there we go, nice and clean. The blades are now clean once again. And now I'm going to take this outside, wash it out, bring it back in, we'll put it back together and give it a test run. Unfortunately, you can't oil a DC fan. You just can't do it because the blades don't come off. I've tried that one time with one of my other ones and I ended up breaking it. So unfortunately, that's unfortunate. All right, so I'm going to wash this and I'll be right back. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I could pause the video. Oh, well, whatever. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the blade, I'm sorry, not the blade. So the guard is now clean. As you can see, the guard is nice and clean. As you can see, it's not dirty no more. If you look right here, it's not dirty. I just took it outside to wash the guard out. And as you can see, the fan blade is now nice and clean and ready to go. So let's put the guard back on, then we're going to test it. So the way you do this, you just kind of turn it counterclockwise. And there you go. It's that simple. It's not hard at all. It's that simple. Let me move it back so y'all can see it. Okay? There you go. It's nice and clean. And we're going to go ahead and test it. You probably won't hear the airflow, but this is just a cleanup video. So let's go ahead and run it on high. Okay, there you go. Nice and clean. Ready to go. Maybe you might hear the wind noise now that the air is blowing on it. It's very powerful. It actually does move a lot of air. It's one of my favorites. It's a good fan. It just has that one little flaw, but other than that, it's a good fan. I also have the box fan one.
Are you okay? Hello?
Not sure if y'all can see that. This one's not all that dirty. This one right here. Yeah, it's not all that dirty. It's a little bit, but it's not that bad. It's not enough for it to be clean. This one right here, I just had to clean it. So that's both of them. It's basically the same thing. You got high velocity and you have box. Both of the fans. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video this evening of me cleaning this one right here. That one didn't need cleaning. I just wanted to show it in the video, but it was primarily about this fan right here, the high velocity one. And once again, thanks for watching. This one is now clean. The one I'm pointing to is now clean, and both of these are actually ready to be used. So more videos to come soon. God bless you, and gone.